Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Usha's father gave her 189 rupees to spend. She spent 91.83 rupees to buy some toys and 33.50 rupees to buy some books. How much money is she left with in the end? Now let's calculate total amount that Usha spent. That would be addition of expenditure on toys and that on books. So it should be 91.83 plus 33.50 rupees. That would be, let's add it, 91.83, 33.50. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 9 plus 3 is 12. So she spent 125.33 rupees. 125.33 rupees she has spent. So money she has left will be equal to total money she had minus total money she spent. That is equal to 189 minus 125.33. So that is equal to, let's do the subtraction. 189 minus 125.33. So let's do this. 0 minus 3 is written as 10 minus 3. So that will be 7. So since we borrowed from here, we'll write 9 here. And 9 minus 3 will be 6. Again we've borrowed from here, so this will be 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 63.67. So she's left with 63.67 rupees. So answer is option A.